So I'm going to take it out. Oh, look at this. Oh my. Look at that. Make sure to always turn off your oven once you're done using it. So this is our brownie cheesecake. We make it in our own way. So, and she wants to add some sprinkles. That's fine too. She's gonna customize it to her taste. It turns out so well. So well. Look at it. Really good. Really, really good. I'm so glad the way it turns out, Serena. Ain't you glad? Because you are busy whining there. Huh? Let me taste it. This is perfection.
I'm sorry.
No, that's okay.
I'm sorry.
Our
Please, I'm sorry.
our yam pepper soup is ready, and this is what we got. Let me on the light. And this is what we got. Isn't that looks so good and yummy? So yeah.
I'm sorry.
So I'm going to go and enjoy my pepper soup, and I'll see you guys later. My ear is itchy. Hope you enjoyed it.
I'm sorry.
She might want to add some sprinkles to the brownies. That's fine. So I'm going to let her customize it to the way she wants it. And that's it. If you watch a replay of this video, make sure to hashtag replay. Thank you for sticking by. Thank you for watching. And if you are new on this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Give this video a thumbs up. Turn on your notification bell so that you can know anytime I go live. I go live 2 to 3 times in a week, depending on how my schedule is. So if you like what you see on this channel, make sure to subscribe and support this channel. This is a new channel. I'm just trying to grow it. So every bit of support means a lot to me. So thank you so much for your support. My subscribers, all my recent subscribers, I say welcome to the channel. My old subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you, Miss Glory. Glory Phillips, thank you so much for your support. I see you all the time commenting and liking my video. God bless you. And I also do that to your channel as well. So yes, that's all we need to support each other. So anything else, if you have any question or any comments, make sure to leave it in the comment section below. And yes, I wish you guys a holiday filled with joy, love, and peace. Happy holidays, and see you guys later. Peace, peace, peace. Stay positive, stay blessed, and remain focused. God bless you.